Okay guys, we're here at Cabinets Quick, continuing our series on the different materials. And this is a really interesting company. They're an Australian-based company. And this is a video series we're doing of the different materials, not necessarily what you would make the cabinets out of, but all the finished show materials. And I want to give a shout out to our guys at Peterman Lumber. Brett at Peterman Lumber is a really good guy. He works with us, but as you can see, there's a couple of stores there for Peterman. If you do reach out to them and talk to them and ask them about this, please let them know that you found them from us. And so StyleLite. All right, so we're going to talk about StyleLite. So from this box, I pulled these little samples. Now, what is StyleLite? StyleLite is actually an acrylic panel. So this company, EGR, they actually produce acrylic panels, right? And their claim to fame in the early days was they made the car wind deflectors. And almost 15 years ago, they actually did a run for them for wind deflectors. And then they released these panels. So this is a real cool one because if you ever need a mirrored panel and you don't want to work with actual glass, you can get acrylic with mirror on it. So a lot of people don't know this exists, and you can kind of see my screen there. No bueno. But what's important is, see how thick it is? So that means it's acrylic. And because it's acrylic, it's super glossy. Now, that's why StyleLite was so popular with the designers, because it was the first super glossy panel you can get off the shelf. And gloss is a relative term, right? So when you go from piano finish to flat gloss like this, there's a whole spectrum of gloss, right? And depending on how glossy and how flat you get, the cost goes up. So this acrylic panel was a very flat, glossy material for a reasonable price, very close to a piano finish. And white gloss and black gloss and all that were very popular with designers. So that's how they started. And then we went from gloss to matte. So matte is the new gloss these days. So the design world started going from a lot of gloss finishes to matte finishes. And StyleLite has some really cool finishes. Gloss is not good for videos, guys. You can see me and you can see my screen. This is why I don't like StyleLite. StyleLite is a pain in the ass to work with, even though it's a great material. Sorry, but I have to say it. StyleLite is a pain in the ass to work because it's acrylic. And you can see the acrylic there. Now, because it's glossy and it's acrylic, if you scratch it, it's literally you are using car finishing techniques and stuff to bring it back to a full gloss. So that's one of the drawbacks to using StyleLite. But I have StyleLite in my house. I used it for some cabinets I just did. It had a really nice silver finish, matte, and it's very popular. They also came out with a new thing trying to emulate melamine. So see how thin this is? And it's matte finish, and it has ticking. And we talked about ticking in the previous video, but ticking is just industry term for fake wood grain texture. So now that's where the industry is moving to. Instead of having an additional cost of finishers involved, the panels are coming pre-finished, and you're ready to go. And one day when we talk about cabinet materials, we'll talk about why we use pre-finished maple and stuff like that for cabinets. So here's Arctic True Matte. And here is another True Matte. And we'll see how we've talked about different shades of white, because you never really use a true bright white. You always use some kind of color of off-white when you do finishes, especially for interior finishes. And here's a cool color too. I don't like gloss. We will not be making a whole lot of StyleLite videos, I'm telling you guys that too. But there is a lot of fabrication things you can do because it's acrylic. If you cut a V groove, you can heat it and bend it, and bends and miters and stuff. There's all kinds of nice, cool things you can do for fabrication, but that's a whole nother topic. Please give me a like, subscribe. It's good to see the 5 or 6 guys that watch my videos. And we'll see you in the next video.